Hello friends, welcome to the chemistry plan. Now in today's session I am going to discuss about the trick for the bond angle. Okay, now let's discuss trick for bond angle. Okay, let's see the structure of this molecule. That is, first one is the methane, then ammonia, then water molecule. Okay, this is the structure of methane, ammonia and water molecule having the bond angle 109 degree 28 minute. Then for the ammonia 107 degree 48 minute, and for the water molecule 104 degree 27 minute. The bond angle means the geometric angle between two adjacent bond. Okay, it is a geometric angle between the two adjacent bond. There is a hydrogen carbon and carbon hydrogen and this carbon hydrogen. Okay, it is a geometric angle between the two adjacent bond. It's nothing but the bond angle. Okay, now in all these three molecules, the atom attached to the central atom is same. Okay, that is, in methane hydrogen attached to the central atom, then here hydrogen attached to the nitrogen, and here hydrogen attached to the central atom, that is the oxygen. Now then why the bond angle decreases from left to right? Okay, that is from left to right, why bond angle decreases? The central atom is here carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. The bond angle depends on the two factors according to valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. That is, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. The two factors affect on the bond angles. That is, effect of lone pair. First one is effect of lone pair, and second factor is effect of electronegativity. Electronegativity. Okay, now first see effect of lone pair. According to valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, the lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair bond pair repulsion. That is, this lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair bond pair repulsion than bond pair repulsion. Then bond pair repulsion is very important. That is, lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair bond pair repulsion and then bond pair repulsion. Now in this case, in methane molecule having the hybridization sp3 and it has a ideal tetrahedral geometry. Okay, with bond angle 109 degree 28 minute. But in case of the ammonia having the 107 degree 48 minute bond angle because presence of the one lone pair. Okay, there is a lone pair bond pair repulsion because of the repulsion between lone pair and this bond pair. There is a slight decrease in bond angle between these two hydrogen. Okay, so the bond angle in case of the ammonia molecule is 107 degree 48 minute because of presence of the one lone pair. Now for water molecule, in this case oxygen having the two lone pair and two bond pair. Here two lone pair and two bond pair. So there is a large large repulsion between this lone pair. Okay, you know that there is a lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair bond pair repulsion, then bond pair repulsion. So because of the presence of these two lone pair, the bond angle between hydrogen, oxygen and this hydrogen is decreases from the ideal tetrahedral angle. Okay, and it becomes 104 degree 27 minute. So bond angle for the water molecule is 104 degree 27 minute. Clear? Now let's discuss the second factor effect on the bond angle. The factor is electronegativity. Okay, that is effect of electronegativity. Second effect is effect of electronegativity on bond angle. Now let's compare the ammonia molecule. Okay, having the bond angle 107 degree 48 minute, and another molecule NF3 in the bond angle 102 degree 30 minute. Okay, now in both the example central metal are same, but there is a difference between the atom attached to the central atom. Here is a hydrogen, in this case is the chlorine, and in A example one lone pair is there, and in B also one lone pair is there. So why the bond angle decreases from 107 degree 48 minute to 102 degree 30 minute? This is because effect of electronegativity. Now what is the effect of electronegativity? That is the nitrogen. Okay, in this case in between the nitrogen and hydrogen. Okay, in between nitrogen and hydrogen, nitrogen is more electronegative as compared to hydrogen. So bond pair present in between the nitrogen and hydrogen, it's slightly towards the nitrogen. Okay, here also slightly towards the nitrogen, and because of this there is a electron bond pair repulsion is greater in this case. Okay, so this bond angle is 107 degree 48 minute, but in this case nitrogen and chlorine having the more electronegativity as compared to nitrogen, so the bond present, okay, that is a bond pair present between the nitrogen and chlorine is slightly towards chlorine. Okay, here also slightly towards chlorine, so there is a less electron repulsion between these two bond pair. Okay, so because of that there is a slightly decrease in the bond angle between chlorine, nitrogen and this chlorine. Clear? This is about the effect of electronegativity. Similarly, in case of the water, let's compare water and H2F molecule. there is a 2 lone pair. Okay, both having the 2 lone pairs. Two lone pair here also 2 lone pair, and 2 bond pair. Okay, now in this case, the water molecule having the bond angle 104 degree 27 minute, and OFT having the 102 degree. Okay, this is so why bond angle decreases from 104 degree 27 minute to 102 degree. Okay, 102 degree. This is because in between the oxygen and chlorine is the more electronegative as compared to oxygen. So bond pair present between the, that is bonding electron present between the oxygen and chlorine is slightly towards chlorine. Okay, and because of that there is a decrease in the repulsion between bond pair. Okay, so bond angle of OF2 is less than H2 molecule. Okay, now let's discuss more example. Let's compare this 4 molecule, that is ammonia, PH3, ASH3 and SBH3. Okay, that is from top to bottom the bond angle goes on decreases in all these 4 molecules. This is because central metal atom, not a central metal atom, that is central atom, the size of the central atom increases from top to bottom. Okay, all the central atom are the group 15 elements. It's from group 15 elements. Now, what is the effect of increasing the size of central atom? Now, you know that for the ammonia molecule there is electron repulsion. Okay, that is there is repulsion between the bond pair. Now, as the size of central atom increases, here is from small size, large and large, the bond pair repulsion. Okay, the bond pair repulsion between these two bond goes on decreases, and so bond angle decreases. Okay, from top to bottom the bond pair repulsion decreases, and because of that bond angle goes on decreases from top to bottom. Okay, now let's compare this 4 molecule. In this 4 molecule all the central atom are same, but there is change in the attached atom. There is a chlorine, bromine and iodine, and you know that in halogen series, okay, in the halogen family, that is from top to bottom size increases. Okay, and another reason is that electronegativity difference, that is from in between the phosphorus and chlorine, phosphorus and chlorine, bromine and iodine. There is electronegativity difference between the phosphorus and chlorine, phosphorus and chlorine, phosphorus and bromine, and phosphorus and iodine goes on decreases from top to bottom. Okay, so there is an increase in bond angle from the top to bottom. Okay, this is all about the concept and tricks for the bond angle. Thank you for watching video.